Lesson 14, 3,000 words. Let's learn another 30 words together today. Wheel. The wheel on my cart broke. Progress, or a verb, progress, and the adjective, progressive. We have made great progress. Face. We will have to face it. Lake. They built a cabin by the lake. Strain. It's a big mental strain for her. Dinner. To dine. I have to cancel the dinner. Middle. In the middle. He lives in the middle of greenery. Warn. Warning. Let me warn you, young man. Let me warn you, young lady. Enter. Don't enter. Gate. The gate remained open. Jar. Put everything in a preserving jar and seal. World. It exists everywhere in the world. Saturday or Saturday. I play tennis on Saturdays. Laundry. I do laundry twice a week. Out. He's been out lately. Evening. We had a lovely evening. Shed. I want to shed 10 kilos. Repair. We are not able to repair it. There, theirs. It wasn't theirs, but ours. Stay. We really enjoyed the stay. Often or often. How often do you come here? Advice. Advisor. Don't listen to his advice. bathroom. This is a room where you can bath, take a bath, have a bath, or bathe. But in America, it often means basically toilet. Where is the bathroom, please? Manage. She can't manage it herself. She can't do it herself. She can't make it herself. Choice. That's your choice. Prospects. The prospects for any change are bad. Pass. Pass me the salt, please. West. Western. Go west to the Western Kingdom. Pack. Unpack. Pack up and get out. Garlic. Garlic would flavor it.